To make this lovely beginner-friendly bracelet, I'm using 20 gauge golden colored copper wire, some glass beads of 4 mm size, bail making pliers, a side cutter and chain nose pliers. You will need one strand of 60 centimeters and one strand of 30 centimeters wire. Start by folding the longer strand in half and form a nice loop at the fold. Then secure the loop by wrapping the shorter wire 3 times around it. Arrange the wire that the folded wire is on the outside left and right from the wire in the middle. Then it's time to thread the first bead to the wire in the middle. Hold the bead firmly between your thumb and index finger and fold the wire on the right side around the bead, over the wire in the middle. Then fold the wire on the left side around the bead, under the wire in the middle. This way your bead is held nicely secure. And this is already the whole process. We will do it again. Insert the bead. We fold the upper wire above the middle strand and the wire below behind the middle strand. Another bead, upper strand above the middle wire, lower strand behind the middle wire. This way we proceed until we have the desired length. Make sure the wraps that you form are nicely and even. For me it works best if I hold the bead tightly between my thumb and index finger while wrapping. If you plan on selling these bracelets and you want to go faster to save time, you can also pop on multiple beads and then you just hold. This way you can finish the bracelet much faster if you want to. When the length is reached that we want, we form a loop with the strand in the middle and don't cut the wire yet, fold it straight behind the bracelet. Then make a wrap with both remaining wires and fold one of them up behind the loop. Secure the loop with the remaining wire. Cut the wires and smooth the wraps with nylon or other pliers that no ends stick out. Then we give the bracelet its finest shape on a mandrel, but you can use any round or oval-shaped object. In the last step, we form a nice hook and attach it to the bracelet. This is the finished bracelet. Here are some examples of the ones I made, and it also looks lovely with different colors and different sized beads. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for more. See you next time, and thanks for watching.